Garuda is a legendary bird-like creature from Hindu and Buddhist mythology, known for its immense size, strength, and association with divinity. It has a golden body, red wings, and eagle-like features, symbolizing power, protection, and loyalty. Garuda serves as the mount of Lord Vishnu, carrying him across the heavens, and is revered for defeating serpents and other adversaries. In cultural significance, Garuda represents courage, freedom, and the triumph of good over evil, appearing in religious texts, rituals, and art across Asia.